Hey everyone, it's Mohammed Umair Baig here, and let's be real, who doesn't want to be a rock star in the fast-paced world of digital marketing? We all want to crush it online, build our dream careers, and see real, tangible results. That's exactly why we're here. Welcome to our guide on how to go from zero to hero in digital marketing and boost your career. Over the next few chapters, we're diving deep into the strategies that I've used to generate millions in revenue, and the best part? You can implement them too. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, we've got you covered. From SEO and social media to email marketing and paid advertising, consider this your one-stop shop to mastering the digital landscape. So, are you ready to transform your career and join the digital revolution? Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the fundamentals. Digital marketing, at its core, is all about connecting with your target audience online. Think of it as the digital handshake that introduces your brand to potential customers. Now, unlike traditional marketing, digital gives you incredible laser focus, allowing you to reach the right people at the right time, with the right message. Imagine this, you've got a fantastic product to sell, but nobody knows about it. That's where digital marketing steps in, acting as your megaphone to a global audience. It's about building relationships, fostering trust, and ultimately, driving conversions. Whether it's a sale, a sign-up, or a download, digital marketing is the engine that drives those valuable actions. But here's the thing, digital marketing is constantly evolving. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve, adapt to the latest trends, and never stop learning. And trust me, with my guidance, you'll be well on your way to becoming a digital marketing pro in no time. Let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization, which is the backbone of getting found online. Imagine typing in a question on Google, the websites that appear at the top. Those aren't accidents, they've mastered the art of SEO. It's about optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results pages, or CRPs. Think of Google like a giant library. SEO is the Dewey Decimal System that helps categorize and organize your website. The higher you rank, the more visible you are to potential customers. It's all about choosing the right keywords, optimizing your website structure, and building high-quality backlinks. SEO is a long-term game, but the payoff is huge. By ranking well organically, you're essentially getting free traffic to your website 24/7. It's about building authority, becoming a trusted source in your niche, and attracting a steady stream of qualified leads. Now let's talk about the game-changer social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn aren't just for connecting with friends and family, they're powerful marketing tools. This is where your audience hangs out, engages with content, and discovers new brands. The beauty of social media is its ability to build communities around your brand. It's about creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. Think stunning visuals, compelling storytelling, and interactive elements. Remember, it's not just about broadcasting your message, it's about starting conversations, responding to comments, and fostering genuine connections. Social media is all about building brand loyalty, driving traffic to your website, and ultimately, boosting conversions. It's about meeting your audience where they are, providing value, and staying top of mind. And the best part? You can track your progress, analyze your results, and fine-tune your strategy for maximum impact. Email marketing might seem a little old school in today's world, but trust me, it's far from dead. In fact, it remains one of the most effective ways to nurture leads, build relationships, and drive sales. Think about it. People check their emails religiously. It's a direct line of communication to your audience's inbox. But here's the key. Don't just spam people with generic promotions. Focus on providing value, sharing exclusive content, and personalizing your messages. Segment your audience, tailor your emails, and offer something irresistible. Remember, email marketing is about building trust and loyalty. The beauty of email marketing is that it allows you to stay top of mind, nurture leads over time, and guide them through the sales funnel. It's about turning subscribers into loyal customers and advocates for your brand. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's dive into some advanced techniques that can really take your digital marketing to the next level. We're talking about strategies like pay-per-click advertising and content marketing. PPC allows you to target specific keywords and demographics, ensuring that your ads are seen by the right people at the right time. It's about bidding on keywords related to your business, and paying only when someone clicks on your ad. Platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising offer incredible targeting options, allowing you to get laser-focused with your budget. Content marketing, on the other hand, is about creating valuable, relevant, and consistent content that attracts and engages your target audience. Think blog posts, infographics, videos, and ebooks, content that provides genuine value and establishes you as an authority in your niche. This long-term strategy is all about building trust, driving organic traffic, and nurturing leads. And there you have it, your roadmap to mastering digital marketing. Remember, this is just the beginning. The world of digital marketing is constantly evolving, so embrace the learning process, experiment, and never stop testing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on boosting your career with digital marketing. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest strategies and insights. Stay tuned for more in-depth guides and tutorials. We'll be diving deeper into each of these topics, providing you with actionable steps to implement in your own digital marketing strategy. Until next time, keep crushing it.